everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green and I'm the other audiologist here. So we've got two patients in this compilation.
You first?
First patient is mine and second is yours.
That's dry.
Yeah, got this big plug which kind of almost looks very similar to what we get with eczema in the ear. Kind of builds up to this this block that's quite smooth. It's really strange.
Yeah.
You see it literally the same every single time it comes in. And you got all this skin then that's kind of attached to the back of it.
No, I like these ones.
Yeah.
They're one of my favourite ones to do. That kind of colour, that golden colour when you see it first start off with.
The skin ones I'm not normally a fan of, but this type of one is quite a nice one to do. I don't mind these ones when they come away, when they're a bit more kind of brittle, and they come away a little bit easier. They're not attached to anything. No.
They're almost like little cornflakes inside here. Yeah, they are. They'll
clusters.
Yeah, so you'll get, and they'll all kind of bind together a lot of the time, so you'll get bigger chunks coming out.
Yeah. So we got the fine end on here now, just to tidy up these last little bits. Obviously, patient's hearing so much better. Yeah. Blockage is already cleared. Just taking away this little bit. You can see all that skin is still kind of holding on a little. The back end of those little pieces there.
Oh, that peeled away nicely. That's a lot better than I thought it was going to be.
Just ignore, I know we've mentioned it a few times, just ignore the black little hair-looking thing on the top of the
See, now you've mentioned it, that's all anyone's going to be able to see now.
Everyone's brushing the TV like that.
You shouldn't have said anything. They would have gone back to the video and we watched it again. At what time we go, phew.
Yeah.
Our last little bits, these can, they always go one or two ways. They're going to be really easy or they're going to be an absolute nightmare to peel away.
Yeah, so far so good.
Yeah, it's doing all right.
They are peeling away okay.
You're going to do the sweep.
I don't know if I do. Do I get that?
You're thinking about it. You can tell you're thinking about it.
I was like, oh. They're so close to, I know we are up against the ear canal, but it's so thin as well. You've got to try and catch it right. Get that a little bit there.
Yeah, sometimes I'll just use the side of the suction tube and just go like that.
There's me checking the cameras on.
Taylor's fingerprints.
Dry skin. Pretty much the same on the other side. Very kind of wet looking.
It does look a little bit wetter on this side.
Yeah. I think it comes away very similar though. I think it does come away okay.
Is there a lot of oil use there on that side, do you think?
I think patients use quite a lot of oil on this one. More so on this side, I think, because they felt a bit more blocked up there. But
nice.
It's like even with the oil, that's quite dry.
Yeah.
Which it looked really wet when you first go in, so it's a bit deceiving sometimes. Those ones they kind of catch you off guard a little bit.
It's crumbling a bit, isn't it? You really want that nice central grip now and draw the whole thing out. Would be lovely.
Yeah, it's just coming away in little bits at the moment. It's like almost like scattered.
Yeah.
It is kind of connected, but it's all like sticking out in little bits, which is, as Rhys just said, it's quite hard to get that solid, firm grip when it's all
nice. Oof. That's lovely when it comes out this sort of like string with all these bits on,
a ball and chain.
Yep.
Take these last little bits away. That should.
Well, that did well. That came away a lot cleaner than I thought it was going to. I thought you were going to be like bits out, bit out.
Again, just going to do a little bit of tidying up now, just to try and get these last little bits. Not really overly concerned about these little pieces, but we are going to try and get these thicker yellow bits away as best we can.
Wow, that was a lot thicker than I thought it was going to
be. Yeah, same.
I really thought it was going to be a thin layer on top then. That's come. I thought that was going to pull that last little bit then.
So we've got this little bit at the top left here. Now look, going around the side, I'm going to try and peel this as close to the front of the ear canal as we can.
Yeah.
Because that should start to naturally. Oh, I'm going backwards by here now. I've obviously heard the suction is a little bit different on this. It's been kind of breaking little bits away.
Is he going to go to the last bit? Going to peel? Oh, nice peel. That was a good one. Yeah. I mean, this patient, obviously, with the skin there, it's mostly keratin. It's just dried out, really, really well. And you've ended up with this thick layers of skin on there, aren't they?
Yeah. But yeah, it's come away good. Happy with the outcome there.
Yeah.
There's a little little bit left on the side we're going to try and get here now. As we said, these can go kind of one or two ways. They either come away quite nicely like it does here, or you've got this very, very thin layer that just starts peeling right down towards the eardrum.
Oh, it's a good hole.
Yeah, we got 5.5 centimetres worth of...
just under 2¼ inches. Oh, now this was a difficult one to do. That's all I seem to have said on these voiceovers the last couple of sessions. It's really difficult. But
it's the hardest one to make.
It's clickbait. But basically, I'm going to put my tea down a minute, but this one, what we've got is this really kind of thick, soft, dark wax, right? But what I've got here is this pinch point, right? Where the bottom of the canal kind of narrows, so the canal almost does this, right? It is I've got to be so cautious with pulling this through because I don't want any of it to break off, because it would be so difficult to get around that bend to get this out from the recess.
Oh, I was just going to say, there's probably a lot more room now you're taking that big piece out. It's still going on.
It is, yeah. And you can see I'm kind of holding at the bottom. I'm thinking, why? I'm really I'm getting a good grip as well, but I can't understand why this is just not moving. I can see bits are peeling away, but I'm expecting, like I was really hoping that I was going to get like a big chunk, because it's got that movement like it's a big chunk, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nearly, but there. Now we can start to see that pinch point at the bottom. See how the canal really narrows now?
Yeah.
It almost looks like an apostrophe.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
I could see part of the tray as well there. Let's get this bit off. Like how sticky that is, and you in the back of my mind going, oh, don't stick. I really don't need this to stick because it is so thick. It's
tricky, so you could have put a little bit of oil in as well. I think that might have.
Yeah. You
probably do now, do you?
I don't know if I do actually.
No.
I can't quite remember. I think I don't. I really can't tell. I've got a bit of dry skin now in the mix as well.
Yeah, ideally you want that to lift.
Yeah.
That just kind of slip out of that recess there.
See, it is going into the tube, look, because you can see the bits are all getting sucked into the tube. But it's like a real life game of Operation, because you're holding that tube in between those two canal walls, and you don't want to touch either side. We ought to do. I'm going to bring Operation in one day. I think Theo might have a Minions one somewhere, and we'll have to have an Operation off.
Sounds good.
Should we give it a go?
Yeah.
We'll do that over Waxfront. That would be a good idea for Waxfront. We could do, we could do something like that.
Do a game off.
Oh, now you're talking. We've got a game of choice.
We'll get everyone involved, and we'll do a tournament.
Fair enough.
Most pieces pulled without any noise.
Oh yeah.
Oh, God, I'd be thinking about this.
I can tell you get around with that. What other games can we play? I'd be up for this. I'm gonna give this a go.
Back in Bronco, is that one? Is that one?
Buckaroo.
That's
I haven't played Buckaroo in years.
Yes, that's a careful one as well.
Yeah, I like what you're thinking.
So yeah.
I haven't got
Any
Buckaroo.
suggestions? Let us know.
That's a good idea. Yeah. Something well, three of us.
Yeah.
If we get Katie involved as well, the three of us will have a go and see how we get on.
Sounds good.
Yeah. If we can think of any other games that we can't think of at the moment, pop them into the bottom, into the comment section, and we'll have a little read. Joe, because the ladies on reception now, they answer a lot of your queries and stuff in the comments. They're going to be, what are people on about now? What have you said in this video? Because they come in some days, they go, what have you mentioned this time? Because there's all sorts of strange stuff going into the comments.
There's a million board games in the comments. What's going on?
Speaking of new games, I had to go at Battlefield 6.
Oh, any good?
It's good. I'm not good at it. I am.
You're more confident.
It is such a different game to play.
Yeah,
I spend most of my time getting revived. Honestly.
I used to be the other way around. I used to be more Battlefield rather than...
You're going to have to give me some tips or something, because I'm rubbish.
I haven't actually got it yet. I'll have to...
Oh, it's good.
I'll have to get on there.
Yeah, it's good. But honestly, I'm normally pretty good with shooters, but this one, I can't, no matter what I'm doing, I can't get this game at all.
It's a bit more realistic, I find, isn't it? Like one of the, I can't remember which one it was, but it was one of them. You could literally blow up like skyscrapers on there. You could.
Oh, you can do that on this one.
Oh, it's the same thing, is it?
Yeah. It's you can destruct stuff around you. Yeah, it's mental.
Got a tank.
Oh man! Oh, say that I go in a helicopter. First, I couldn't get it off the ground, right? And when I worked out how to get off the ground, I could only go backwards. I couldn't work out how to go forwards. And then when I did work out how to go forwards, it just went. I think I actually killed one of my teammates because I landed on top of them. Oh, honestly, words, it's terrible, man. I'm just as bad in a tank. Honestly, you're like that scene in Austin Powers where he's trying to. He's going back and forth in the corridor. I'm like that trying to get around buildings. Most of the time, I just drive straight through them now.
You might as well. You might take people.
Oh my word! You have to come on.
I haven't got it yet.
Come on and give me some pointers because I am absolutely. If there were any Battlefield 6 experts in the comments, what am I doing wrong? Because I'm absolutely rubbish at it.
So I'm going to say press forward, not backward.
Okay, I got that bit. Well, guys,
I think it was about 2 centimeters there, roughly.
I was total gaming mode. I didn't even look. I reckon it's probably about just under an inch.
Yeah.
There you go. That's what I'm going to go with that one. Well, guys, thank you very much for watching our videos. Don't forget, if you do enjoy the videos, you can always like, heart, share, follow, subscribe. Want to watch another video? There'll be one on YouTube. I recommend a few up there. Go and have a look at that one for me. And yes, if you do really enjoy the videos, you can also consider becoming members of the channel as well. That way then you get to see even more every single week. And I think we might do some of those gaming things. Maybe we'll do those as members videos to give the members something a little bit extra for Waxfed. So keep an eye out for that. We will plan that out for you. But in the meantime, guys, as always, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And myself, the lovely Miss Taylor Green. We'll see you again real soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.